So I finished installing the exhibition Urban Nature that is going to be presented at the Croatian Cultural Center, and it's going to have also Salvadorian poetry, since this is my turn to be the featured artist from El Salvador. So I try to combine every poem with a group of photography. For example, this one is called The Nest, and it talks about birds. So this is the collection about birds. And then we go to plants, trees, and flowers. And then we go to just a few landscapes. And then we go to digital, film. This is traditional photography that I shot years ago using T-Max 400 film. And this is the section that I actually have the most work, which is animals in captivity, either on water or in farms, in zoos, aquariums. This is my section of bugs, butterflies, bees, dragonflies, ladybugs, etc. This is my section of animals that coexist in the city with us. Animals that choose to stay in the city and they don't even want to migrate because they have enough food in the city to survive. For example, we have pigeons eating inside the trash can, bees that are just getting the honey out of a cup instead of pollinizing, pigeons being fed by people, etc. So yes, this is the exhibition that is gonna be happening this first Thursday at the Croatian Cultural Center from 6 p.m. during the San Pedro Artwork Night, and opening reception on Saturday, May 3rd at 7:30 p.m. I hope to see you guys there.